In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Scrivener's metadata fields to create a flexible outline spreadsheet so you never lose track of any story element when developing or writing. Hi, this is Bela from The Writer's Territory. I want to help you find your perfect writing software and show you how the one you already own helps your writing the most. A while ago, I posted a blog article about how to use Scrivener for outlining with index cards on the corkboard. However, I have found another way to do effective outlining in Scrivener using metadata fields, and it has helped me a lot to keep my focus on what is happening in each scene during my writing. Let me show you. If you haven't used Scrivener's metadata fields yet, I'll show you where they are. Make sure you see your inspector, and on the panel control strip, click Custom Metadata. Now you can define metadata fields. Click on the plus to create a new metadata field and enter a name. For example, want. We're going to use this field to define our hero's want. I'm going to create a few others just as an example so you can see how this works. I'm going to use here challenge, setting, opponent, and setup payoff. Just set it up so that you have all the fields that you want for your outlining process, whatever you want to call them. Next to the name field, you can decide if you want the text in this field, which will become a column later, to wrap or just to be cut off at the end when you're viewing it. If you choose wrap, the text will flow into the next line and the line heights will increase the more text you enter. Additionally, you can define colors if you want specific metadata fields to be highlighted. Let's try this. Let's say I want challenge red and opponents blue. Okay, now let's see how this looks. Go to your synopsis view and here on the right side choose which metadata fields you'd like to have displayed. Just check the ones you need. I'm choosing just the ones we created. As you can see, this is kind of a spreadsheet that you can now use for your outlining or for your brainstorming process. Just go through each scene line by line, assuming you have one Scrivener document per scene, and put the necessary information in each field. I find this is a very convenient way to brainstorm and also to track what is happening in each scene, so you don't get lost during your writing process. The way you can set it up for writing is, for example, you can have the editor split in two and then can view your scenes on the left side and your metadata spreadsheet on the right. That way, if you get lost or stuck in your writing, you can always refer back to the right side of your screen and check what you need to accomplish in each scene. Or maybe you want to change the metadata content if you just got a better idea. You can also sort and reorder these columns. To sort, just click on the title. If you click several times, you can choose between sort upwards, downwards, or return to your chronological order. To reorder, just click and drag the title here at the top. You might want to do this if your metadata spreadsheet is too wide to fit in the right editor as a whole. So you can just drag the combination of columns you like to see to the left. You can also activate this button down here. If it's pushed, Scrivener automatically opens the scenes you click on in the other editor window. This can actually save you a lot of time because you don't have to pick them from the binder. Are you using metadata fields in Scrivener? Do you have other outlining methods that work well for you? If you like this video, please leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel and to the Writer's Territory newsletter. Let me help you decide which is the best writing software for you before you spend your money. And let me show you how the tools you already have help your writing the most. Don't miss regular news updates, reviews, how-tos, and tips and tricks about the best software for writers like you. If you have any specific software problems or questions, just let me know and I'm happy to help you and others solve them so you can get back to writing as quickly as possible. Happy writing!